When a patient comes into my office and tells me they've been on a vegan diet, but they're not getting the cholesterol lowering results that they wanted, one of the first questions I ask them is, are they getting coconut oil in their diet? Because coconut oil is a common ingredient in vegan soups and ice creams and cookies and pastries and frozen entrees. And coconut oil is high in saturated fat, and saturated fat raises the LDL cholesterol, which is the one that increases the risk of heart attack and stroke. So the American Heart Association recommends less than 6% of your diet come from saturated fat. So on a 2,000 calorie diet, that's around 10, 12, 13 grams of saturated fat. So as a frame of reference, 1 tablespoon of butter has 10 grams. Coconut oil is 12 grams. So much better choice would be olive oil or avocado oil, which come in at 2 grams per tablespoon, canola oil at 1, and other seed oils are also good choices. So what you want to do is read the labels for these processed foods. For example, the Beyond Veggie Burger and the Impossible Burgers both are made with coconut oil. And so one Beyond Burger has about 6 grams of saturated fat, which is about the same as a lean ground beef burger. I prefer to have veggie burgers, which are one of my favorite things to keep on hand for quick, easy meals, to be made from beans and grains. And there's so many of them. None of these from Whole Foods or Trader Joe's are made with coconut oil. My current favorite is this Costco black bean chipotle veggie burger, which I like to fry up and put on a salad. And I always keep these pickled onions on it, and I might even add an egg for a special brunch or something. So listen, move toward a plant-based diet and gain the health benefits. Just be careful that you don't let that coconut oil sneak in there and spoil your results. That is smart eating.